Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie back with a video real quick. It's just gonna be a quick unboxing from WezTeck, right? But first off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? Wasn't even planning on being here today. Actually, I'm technically still not here. Cold outside. We had a little ice storm, snowstorm. So I just came up to the shop, kind of could check on the conditions of the roads and stuff, you know what I mean? So, but while I was out here, I caught the postman. Shout out to the postman. Rain, sleet, snow, shine, whatever, right? So while I'm here, I got the postman, got a little package from WezTeck. And if y'all have heard of WezTeck, WezTeck was the company that has the guards that keeps you from having to use the it saves you time on guard. So one guard might go from a 0 all the way up to, or a 1 all the way up to a 2 guard, and then the next guards go from that 2.5 up to a 4, you know, stuff like that to kind of save you time. So what they have now is an actual clipper with the click lever that goes from, it adjusts from a 0 to a 2, and then you add the guard on it, goes from a 2 to a 4. So when I first did the unboxing and the review of the WezTeck guards, in my video, I was talking about how it would be better if it had a click lever, or not a click lever, but if it had a lever where you can go from the 0 all the way up to a 2. And people was like, well, that wouldn't make sense because that take away from the guards. And in the aspect of the guards, yes, but it made sense in my brain. Maybe it was me explaining. I'm not the best at explaining stuff. Y'all have told me that, all right? But anyway, they have a clipper. This is the WezTeck hair clipper. It goes, like I said, it adjusts from a 0 to a 2. Look like you add a guard. It goes from that 2 to the 4. Have 2 hours of run time, 10,000 RPM, a magnetic motor. So we're just gonna unbox this real quick. Like I said, I came up here, caught the postman. Hey, why not? Because I do want to put this to work as soon as possible, right? So we're gonna take the clipper out of here, set that to the side. And then here in their extra box here, open it up. You do get some clipper oil, nice screwdriver there. There is the guard that goes from, let me see if y'all can see that. That's the guard that goes from the 2 to the 4 that you would add to it. Clipper brush. And this is the charging cable here. Boom. Nothing fancy, right? But this is the machine. I'm gonna close it all the way up. It got some weight to it. Thought somebody was trying to come in. It got some weight to it, a little heavier. That lever. Let me see if it's on. So that's the blade here. If y'all can see that. Pretty thick blade lets you get, and that's the lever there that goes from a 0 all the way up to the 2. It is a click lever, more clicks in there. Well, not really a click lever, but you hear the clicks as you maneuvering. So that's all the way closed, all the way open, and that brings you to a 2 guard. All right, and then you add the guard on it. So, and then you close it up. That takes you to that 2, all the way up to the 4. That guard though, all right, you gotta put some pressure on it to lock it in. But I was about to say, it don't seem like it fit, but you gotta put some pressure on it, lock it in. All right, so now that you got the guard on it, that is the guard, the lever or the blade there is flush. Add that on. Now you're at that 2 level. Open it up and you got the 4. And honestly, I don't know how much anybody else use a guard above a 3 or a 4. The biggest guard I usually use is probably a 2, right? Maybe a 3, but I really don't go above that often. So having that 4 guard is pretty cool. They don't really need to put all the way up to the 8 and all that stuff. But we're gonna see how that maneuver and see if any guard, I don't know if it makes sense to put any other guards on it, but I just wanted to see if it fits, and they don't, because it's built for that, all right? But you always gotta try stuff out, all right? So you snap that on, boom. All right, and that lever is pretty long. Like it's not in the way, but I don't know about how like going around ears, if that lever being that length will get in the way. But we shall see. Again, that is the sound of it. And I don't know the price of this. I'm gonna put it on the screen. WezTeck actually sent this to me, so I'm gonna put their pricing on the screen to see how, let y'all know how much it is. And we're gonna be back with a review to see how it operates. And they do have the USB-C down at the bottom. They only include the regular charger for the input, but they do have a USB-C port right next to it. So you can get a good charge, and that's what I'm about to do right now. Put it on a charger. We're gonna try to do some cuts with this, and I'll be back in a little bit, in some time, with a review of it and see how it actually operates. Shout out to WezTeck for at least trying something different. I didn't mind the guards, but I did say in the video that if it had a lever, because the guards you would just add into any other clipper that you had, right? And I was just like, if it had a lever system, it'd be cool. But anyway, we're gonna put it to the test though. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. If y'all dislike the videos. And we'll be back sometime with a review, an unboxing, a tutorial, or something. Peace.